Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in with your school account. This ties your classes and assignments properly. Once signed in, open the Teams app or the website and choose Join or Create Team. Click Join a team with a code if your instructor gave one. Enter the code, check your display name, and join. Make sure to accept any calendar invites. This automatically adds class meetings. If you see channels, browse General first to find pinned resources and the class syllabus. This gets you ready to participate. Once you've joined the team, use the calendar to find meetings and click Join about 5 minutes early to test audio and camera. In meetings, mute when not speaking, use raise hand to ask questions, and post concise messages in meeting chat for links or notes. After class, open assignments to see tasks, attach files or links, and submit before the due date so your teacher gets timestamps. Make sure to check grades for feedback and to track what needs revision. Finish by organizing your workspace. Pin key channels, star important files, and adjust notification settings so you don't miss announcements. Once done, sync Teams with Outlook to centralize meeting alerts and install the mobile app to get push notifications for urgent messages. If audio or video fails, restart the app and your device, check camera and microphone permissions, clear the Teams cache, and reinstall if needed. If problems persist, contact your school.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.